Now let's start solving the Natas level 12. First of all, let's log in to the level 12. On logging in, we can see that the page asks us to upload a JPEG file with max size 1 KB. Let's first of all try to upload a JPEG file and see what exactly happens on uploading. So I am uploading this random JPEG image to see what exactly happens. Let's upload this. On uploading, we can see that the file has been uploaded successfully. Let's try to access the file. On accessing, we can see that this file is stored in the uploads directory. So let's first of all try to access the uploads directory to see if anything is present in the directory. So here, as we can see that we cannot access the uploads directory. So let's go back to the main page. Here, as we have a hint to check the source code of the web page, so let's check the source code. In the source code, we can see that we have a PHP code snippet. In the code snippet, the first function is generate random string function, in which a random string of length 10 is created from the characters in the character string. Then we have a make random path function, which takes as input the directory and the extension of the file. So from here, we can see that the extension of the file is taken as input and it is not forcibly the JPG extension. So we can use this vulnerability to access the password of Natas level 13. As we have also seen in the previous levels that the passwords are stored in this directory. So we will use this information to access the password for Natas level 13. Let's see the further functions. From here, we have a make random path from file name function, in which it takes the directory and the file name as input and returns the extension for the file name. Now this code snippet is just to check if the file uploaded is correctly uploaded or not. Let's go below. Here we have created a form for the file uploaded. Here we have a max file size field, then we have a file name field. In the file name field, we can see that the extension is .jpg. So we will have to change this extension as we want to access the contents of the directory which contains the password for Natas level 13. We will be using a PHP file to access the contents, as the backend of this web page is all written in the PHP language. For changing this extension, we will use the inspect element approach. For inspect element, we can right click and press inspect, or we can directly use Ctrl plus Shift plus I. On opening the inspect element, we can see under the body class, we have a ID is equals to content division. In this, we have a form. On clicking the form, we can see that here we have the file name value is equals to .jpg. So double click on this to edit this, and we will change this to .php, as we are going to upload a PHP file. Now let's create the PHP file for uploading. For that, you can use Notepad or any other text editor which you have. Here we can see the PHP code required by us. This question mark PHP is a standard syntax for PHP. To specify that this is a PHP code, echo outputs the output of the command next to it, and the system command is used to execute the specific commands given to it as input. Here we have given it the cat command so that the contents of this file are sent to us as output. Now let's upload this file to the website. On uploading, we can see that the file has been uploaded. Let's open the file. Here we can see the contents of the program executed, and this is the password for Natas level 13.